Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and flipping through the Divine Abundance Oracle deck by Tosha Silver with art by Fena Gonzalez. It is 52 cards, it retails for $21.99, just released, and it is published by Hay House. The back says, so many people push toward their goals, chase the means to meet their needs, and yearn for an ever elusive feeling of security. Tosha Silver takes on a radical new approach. Offer those desperate wishes and financial fears directly to the divine, whatever that means to you. This beautiful deck puts Tosha's teachings into practice with 52 quotes to help you reflect on your relationship to money, career, and abundance. Your own heart will guide you to the message you need that day, helping you receive and live these liberating concepts more completely. All right, I'm already loving the packaging. It's so bright and wonderful. And let's open her up. Ah, a little stuck there. All right, there we go. Oh, look at how beautiful. Okay, let's not get the shadows. Let's see. It says, allow me, divine, to always accept the right assistance. I welcome your help in every way and delight in receiving it. Okay, oh my gosh, there's that little hummingbird. Okay. All right. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's a guidebook. It just looks like there is like a little title card here. So let's see. Yeah, just a little title card. Okay, it says, Dear friends, the Divine Abundance Oracle deck is an invitation to learn to become a conduit for what wants to occur. It will help you drop the ego's agenda and truly let go. As you do this, a new sense of enoughness will begin to emerge. It has everything to do with knowing how to open, give, receive, and serve the flow. When you're actually offering yourself completely to God, human limitation falls away. I believe anyone can learn to put themselves directly into this abundant flow, regardless of age, race, nationality, gender, sexual orientation, or anything else. Because in the most practical way, love transcends everything. This deck can be used as an oracle where you're guided to a specific card or as an easy way to get helpful reminders for the day. One of the best ways is to let yourself become a vehicle for this flow through playfulness and spontaneity. So please use this deck in this fashion. Enjoy. All right, so no guidebook, just the cards. All right. Here is the back. That is really pretty. And let's take a look. The cards are pretty thin. Now, this is not a huge deal breaker for me because it allows for easy shuffling. And it looks like it's pretty matte and it doesn't have that gloss over it, which is nice. Okay. It is gorgeous. I really wasn't sure what to expect, but I was really drawn to this deck when the pre-orders came around. It's beautiful. I love the vibrant colors. Oh. I think this would be a really wonderful addition to the Yoga Path Oracle, just because the artwork is very similar. Same with the Work Your Light Oracle. It's giving me those kinds of imagery vibes. The kind of collage style in the background. It's gorgeous. What a great deck for a card pull a day, like a daily pull. I love this with the peacocks. Oh, the hummingbird. This is really beautiful. Oh, and dolphin. Oh. How Beautiful. It's a very positive deck too. Oh, I love that. So yeah, I have a feeling this would be great for journaling, for getting a little inspiration, or what do you need throughout your day to day, or a confirmation as an oracle deck. Can't wait to see how they shuffle. They are a thin card, but I feel like they are flexible enough. And they were only $21.99. Now, that is kind of steep not having a guidebook, but I don't know. I'm okay with it. I'm all right with that price tag. I've paid higher prices for decks that I wasn't too thrilled about. So, I mean, I'll take it. It's beautiful. It's very, very positive and fun and vibrant and just beautiful to look at. And I feel like this is one of those decks that you're going to find something new in the picture every time you work with it. All right, so what we'll do now is we'll shuffle and we'll just see what card comes out and we will take a deeper look. See how it will read. Yeah, I do not have a problem with how this shuffles at all. Yeah, I like it. It's very smooth. I like that there's no gloss to it. You don't get that stickiness. Ooh, okay, does a card want to be read? Can we get a card? All right, ask and you shall receive. Okay, love. All right. Divine source is the idea that no person, place, or thing is your salvation, only love itself. Look at how stunning that is. I think this is a very positive deck. I think this is a very fun, different type of a deck. It's a very positive, like you can use these for affirmations as well. And, you know, just kind of get a feel for what do you need to invite in for your day? What do you need to maybe release? Confirmation. I am really enjoying this. Like, again, the only negative thing I see is that there isn't a guidebook, but I don't really feel like you need one. And then the cards are a little bit on the thin side, but they shuffle just fine. I didn't have an issue with any of the cards sticking together, and they snapped back into place after doing the little bridge shuffle. So, I mean, what more can I say about that? And as far as whether they're beginner friendly, I do absolutely think they are, because you get a little blurb about it at the bottom of the card. They're beautifully, can I speak? They're beautifully rendered. The artwork is gorgeous. They're vibrant. I feel like you can even use them for like a flashcard purpose. I don't know. I feel like there's just lots of ways to use this particular deck, and I feel like that's always a valuable thing when you can have multiple uses in a deck, especially if you're paying a higher price. Now, again, $21.99 for something that doesn't have a guidebook can be a little steep. However, I feel like the multiple use of this deck is kind of worth it for the price tag. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. But yeah, I would love to know what you think about this. Was this what you were expecting? Because I had no expectations. I think I just saw what the cover was, and I think I saw one card. I think it was the elephant card, and I said, I really want to have this deck. So yeah, let me know what you think. And I'm always interested in hearing your guys' opinions because everybody's thoughts and likes are different and it's so much fun. So that being said, thank you so much for spending your time with me. I always enjoy having you here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.